In this segment, we'll show you some safety, operation, and maintenance tips for your new Agri-Fab ATV swivel dump cart. Never carry passengers in the cart. Do not exceed the maximum towing speed of 5 miles per hour. Do not use this cart on any highway or public thoroughfare. It is not designed for street use. Never exceed the load capacity. Stay off steep slopes and grades. Do not use on slopes greater than 10 degrees. Vehicle braking and stability will be affected by heavy loads. When used properly, your cart can be used easily to move up to 1,000 pounds of material around your property. For best handling and traction, distribute the weight of the load evenly in the cart. Before using the cart on a slope, consult the owner's manual for safety guidelines, and always test to make sure your tractor has adequate towing and braking capabilities, especially when moving a heavy load. When you're ready to dump material from your cart, release the tongue latch. The cart bed will tip backwards so you can empty its load. When the material has been unloaded, pull the front of the cart bed down towards the cart tongue until the latch lock lever snaps into place. Before use, thoroughly inspect your cart for loose fasteners. Secure loose parts before use. Look for worn or damaged parts and replace them if necessary. Check that the tires are properly inflated. Do not inflate them beyond the maximum recommended pressure printed on the sidewall. Make sure to refer to the owner's manual for other safety and maintenance tips. Congratulations! Your new Agri-Fab ATV swivel dump cart is now fully assembled and ready to use. For additional help or replacement parts, please call Agri-Fab at 1-800-448-9282 from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Or visit speedepart.com to purchase replacement parts. That's why we can say, Agri-Fab, lawn care made easy.